This video will try to solve the following problems. How many moles are in 35 grams of aluminum oxide, Al₂O₃? We have the atomic masses of all elements, aluminum and oxygen, and we need to know what are the moles. A mole is a unit that represents 6.022 multiplied 10 to the power of 23 particles. Particles can be atoms, molecules, etc. To find the moles from masses, we need to calculate the molar mass of the compound and use the formula moles is equal to mass over molar mass. That's very easy. If you have the mass and the molar mass, and we have the masses, and we can calculate the molar masses. So moles is equal to mass over molar mass. That's easy. So first calculate the molar mass of aluminum oxide and then use it to convert the given mass to moles. So let's see how we'll do this. I have aluminum. I have 2 aluminum atoms. The subscript is 2 and the coefficient is 1. I have 3 oxygen atoms. Coefficient is 1 and subscript is 3. So 2 aluminum and 3 oxygens. Every aluminum we have its mass and every oxygen we have its mass. So we multiply the atomic mass of the aluminum by 2 and add it to the atomic mass of oxygen multiplied by 3. So 2 aluminum atoms multiplied 26.98 is 53.96, and 3 oxygen atoms multiplied by 16 is 48 grams per moles. Add all the contributions to get the molar mass. So this one 53.96 in addition to 48 will get 101.96. This is the molar mass of aluminum oxide. Then I will divide this by the mass, so mass 35 divided by the molar mass, I'll get the number of moles, 0.3432 moles. So again, 35 grams, you can use the analysis. So 35 grams multiplied by every mole has 101.96, so I have 0.3432. So I put the grams at the bottom and I put the moles at the top so that I will get the answer in moles, because the grams will cancel with the grams. Again, for the analysis, I will put 35 and then 35, I need to make the analysis with 1 mole at the top and the grams is at the bottom, which is them. So cancel this one with this one. The grams will cancel with the grams and you will get the answer in moles. So you get 0.3432. This is if you use the dimensional analysis. Now there are 0.343 moles of aluminum oxide and 35 grams of the compound. This is the summary of what we did. We added the molar mass, the atomic masses of the 2 elements, and then the key concept is that mass is equal to moles multiplied by molar mass, or moles is equal to mass over molar mass. These are the equations that you need to memorize.